Is it the right time to make a move on Meta stock? Let's dive deep into Meta and provide you with a more detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, December 18, 2023. Now, we're here to give you the insights you need. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. Keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since December 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a strong buy candidate, earning it a score of 6.66. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 5.52%. This means that on average, it has generated a daily return of 0.69% since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend, indicating the potential for further growth. Looking at the short-term trend over the past 3 months, there is a projected 11.39% change in the stock's value. This means there is a possibility of a return ranging from -0.0973% to 14.71%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 111.4% change in the stock's value. This implies a potential return between 118.42% and 152.3%. In other words, the stock price could range from $752.73 to $869.49 after a year. Our latest update for Meta brings exciting news. Meta stock has been upgraded to a strong buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Monday, December 18, 2023, the Meta stock price increased by 2.9%, going from $334.92 to $344.62. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 3.13%, reaching a low of $337.02 and a high of $347.56. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, marking a noteworthy 7.69% increase over the last 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded decreased by 12 million on the last day, with a total of 18 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $6.32 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices can indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the Meta stock reached its highest price at $347.56 and its lowest at $112.46. At present, the price stands at 0.85%, or $2.94, below the 52-week high and 10.33%, or $39.71, below the all-time high recorded on September 1, 2021, when it reached $384.33. Analyst ratings. B. Riley Securities gave Meta a neutral grade with a hold action on Monday, November 20, 2023. Wedbush gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action on Monday, November 20, 2023. Wells Fargo gave Meta an equal weight grade with a hold action on Monday, November 20, 2023. Goldman Sachs gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action on Thursday, October 26, 2023. KeyBank gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action on Thursday, October 26, 2023. Analysts have given Meta stock a general rating of buy. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Meta stock. Meta stock currently holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which is a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $334.24 and $327.11. If the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, resulting in an 8.56% increase so far. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot has been found. However, it's important to note that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices, which creates a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning, and the stock should be closely monitored. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could have an influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator has generated a sell signal. The Pivots indicator gave a buy signal 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. The short-term moving average generated a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 30 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average generated a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 230 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Let's talk about the support levels for Meta. The stock currently has support just below today's level at $299.53 and $297.74, based on accumulated volume. Support levels are important because they indicate a price level where buyers are expected to step in and prevent further decline. However, there is always a risk when a stock is testing a support level. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level, which in this case is at $299.53. Meta is a stock that is usually traded at a good volume, and it generally experiences minor daily changes. This means the risk associated with the stock is considered to be low. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $10.54, 3.13%, between its high and low points. Looking at the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 2.38%. This gives us an idea of how much the stock's price tends to fluctuate on a daily basis. Before we discuss the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's start by covering some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a key measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Meta has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often observed in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected on February 7, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report are at $4.75. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. When it comes to resistance, Meta doesn't face any significant obstacles from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock has the potential to move upward swiftly. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume as it can help you determine the right time to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $299.53. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock's price. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is a buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On December 12, 2023, Newstead Jennifer sold 566 shares of Class A common stock. On December 13, 2023, Zuckerberg Mark sold 7,175 shares of Class B common stock. Also on December 13, 2023, Zuckerberg Mark sold 692 shares of Class A common stock. Furthermore, on December 13, 2023, Zuckerberg Mark sold 690 shares of Class A common stock. Lastly, on December 13, 2023, Zuckerberg Mark sold 1,273 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -67.110. In total, insiders purchased 28,700 shares and sold 148,777 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $332.83, which represents a decrease of 3.42%. This particular stock exhibits low daily movements, resulting in lower risk for investors. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 8 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta has shown several positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on these factors, we believe that it is a good choice at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, December 19th, we expect Meta to open down by $1.55 at $343.07. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What's your target for this stock? Let us know. If you find this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. We hope you have successful trading ahead and wish you a beautiful day. From all of us here at Stock Invest, take care.